So let's say you've got this one-way switch to one light, but you want to add another switch, and there's no way you can run a cable. So we're going to add another switch wirelessly. So what we want to do is open this up, see what's in here. Neutral, switch live, and live. And what we've got is a Kinetic Wi-Fi 1 amp Wi-Fi mini wireless switch dimmer receiver. Right. Will it fit? Just in there, like so. Right. So what we want is we need the neutral in and out. We'll have the live in and out. And then the switch live and live out. Right. So what we want is this. Is a live and live into the switch. Will both go into there, into the lives. We've got two NN, LL, L out and switch. Right. So we're going to knock that off there. NN, neutral, neutral. Straight into there. And then we'll have the switch live that will go up to that one. And then the live out, which will just go to that one. So we'll shorten the cables down a bit. And then terminate them into our switch. We don't want too much because they're quite small terminals in this little receiver. And is this going to be any good? Yes. So we'll have our neutral in. In here, and then neutral out to the light switch, and then we'll have our live coming in from the consumer unit, and we also need our live going down to the switch. Yeah, these terminals are a bit small. It'd be nicer if they were a bit more robust, but if they were bigger we wouldn't get them hidden inside a box. So then that is your live and neutral in. So then we want the live out that will go to the switch. So this is what will control the lighting circuit. We'll be sending a live out. And then this is a switch. So then this will also work. So it will work with your switch and with your new wireless switch. What we want to do is get that to fit in there. Your earths will stay earthed in there, and then that can go wireless. And the live's on, so that's flashing. So then what we want is our switch in here. Wireless kinetic switch, no batteries. So then we hold this, pairing mode, starts flashing slowly, click it, and that is it. Our switch is connected. It dims down better as well with the switch. Now will this work? Yes, this also works. So basically, that's made that two-way switch. Does it dim? Don't think it's a dimmable lamp. If we turn it off, we'll stick a dimmable lamp in it. So then now we've got a dimmable lamp in there. Will it dim? By holding your finger on it. That's dimming down, look. Is it? Yes, that's dimmed down a bit. Not very good dimmable lamp. Turn it off, on, off, on, bring it back up. There we go. So now we've also fitted a dimmer and a two-way switch. But the beauty about these is you can hook them up to your phone as well. And that switch can go anywhere you want. Wireless, no batteries. Kinetic switch.